Have you ever wondered how the world of Middle-earth or Hogwarts came to be? How do authors create such intricate, believable worlds that are entirely different from our own? Well, it all starts with a process known as world building. Today, we delve into the fascinating process of crafting a unique and captivating fantasy world. The first part of this process involves establishing the foundation of your fantasy world. This is where you decide on the setting, timeline, the people, the creatures, and the magic system. This foundation acts as the backbone of your world, guiding the direction of your story. Next, it is time to create a map. This is not just a geographical representation, it's a tool to visualize your world. The map includes physical features, locations of cities and towns, as well as territories controlled by different factions or inhabited by different species. Relay the history and mythology of your world. These elements provide the context for your story. The mythology can explain the origins of creatures, magic, or even the world itself. The history, on the other hand, can explain the reason behind wars or deep-seated hatred between races. Then, let your imagination run wild as you create the different species that inhabit your world. From the physical characteristics to their culture, language, and beliefs, these details will make your species unique and intriguing. Magic, a staple of the fantasy genre, is another crucial aspect of your fantasy world. It's essential to establish the rules and limitations of your magic system, its source, and how it is accessed. This not only prevents inconsistencies and plot holes, but also adds depth to your world. The technology level of your world plays a significant role as well. It helps establish the time period of your story and can be a source of conflict. Deciding who has access to technology and how it is accessed can add another layer to your narrative. Lastly, consider the political climate of your world. This can create conflict and tension in your story. Consider the different factions, the power dynamics, alliances, and rivalries. To summarize, building a fantasy world is a multifaceted process that includes establishing the foundation, creating a map, developing the history and mythology, creating different species, developing a magic system, considering the technology level, and considering the political climate. Each of these steps is crucial in crafting a believable and captivating world that readers will want to immerse themselves in. So, go forth and create a world that will captivate the imaginations of many.